This coin is going to drop like it's hot, drop like it's hot, drop like it's hot. This thing is going to drop like it's hot, drop like it's hot, drop like it's hot. Let me ask you a question. Who in the world is buying Bitcoin right now? My question is, who is buying Bitcoin right now? Just ask yourself a question. And we're not even doing any pullback. What's going on here? This is the most weird bull run I have ever seen. In the last two I have seen since 2017, this thing doesn't make sense, guys. And I think I have some guesses, and it totally makes sense if I want to share it with you. As I said, we're gonna have rate cuts. Okay, so by delaying these rate cuts, we keep seeing pumps for traditional markets, stock market, everything, crypto market. So they're gonna probably keep pumping the coins. Everything is gonna keep going high, and they're gonna eventually dump it. Okay, so this that is not even doing any pullback, even around the last previous bull market that we had, is not even going back down. And I have been expecting for a pullback for so long, and you guys know it. And this thing is just going up, up, up. It's like there is no tomorrow. It's exactly like that right now. What's going on here? And I'm gonna tell you, none of these are financial advice, but I can promise you this is gonna hurt a lot of people, guys. Okay, that, as I said, there is of course money to be made. There is money to be made, but this, like the previous bull markets that we had, a lot of people got wrecked because they thought we're just gonna keep going up, and we started going back down, guys. I'm gonna see the same thing over and over, and every time we're gonna see people crying because they thought everything is just fine until it's too late. Every pullback we saw, every single person was saying, yeah, this is another buying opportunity, buying opportunity, buying opportunity, buying opportunity, buying opportunity. And yes, if you held it, you would have been in profit right now. But are you going to be okay if we start going back down again? Are you going to be able to keep holding? That's the question. Because I can tell you, I wasn't one of those people who could hold forever because I wanted to see some profit. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people do that because they cannot, they want to get result for their investment. And guess what? They have been holding it, and if it keeps going, it goes back down, they're gonna go back into loss again. Okay, I'm not sure who is buying Bitcoin at $72,000 right now. I am blown away by this price action that I keep seeing. As I said in my previous video, I was expecting another pullback, but at least a little bit more than that, almost back to $63,000. But we saw that we had another uh, bull trap and then bear trap. Boom, boom, wrecking, longs and shorts, left and right. And guess what? It's gonna be the time that it's gonna get back to. It's gonna be the turn of bulls getting wrecked, guys. I'm gonna make some lines in here, guys. Some of these breakouts don't make sense. We do not see any pullback, guys. I've been in market long enough to understand these concepts, and it does not make sense, guys. Okay, we do not see any type of healthy pullback, guys. This thing is going too high, too fast, and it's based on all hype and hopium, ETF, BlackRock, micro strategy, and guys, once this thing is gonna drop, micro strategy, BlackRock is not gonna come and save your butt. Okay, I'm telling you guys this because I don't care. As I said, I am holding my altcoins. Anywhere it goes, I'm fine. But this thing, I care enough to tell you guys that this thing is just keep going up without having corrections, which is a needed price movement for any healthy market, or for any healthy uh, bull market at least. Look at this. This thing is just keep going up. It did not even, Bitcoin did not even stop around here, which was the last bull market's all-time high. Look at this. What's going on here? Well, this is just makes C's volume. But look, we don't even have enough volume, guys. Look at the volume in here. Look, nothing. What's going on in here? This is my question. You guys come and comment that you're just like so happy and you think like, yeah, I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong. Like, what? So what? Guys, the higher we go, the more dangerous it gets, guys. Every single time, just have these as your example, guys. Okay, these huge pullbacks, these huge crashes, guys, they were doing it before they happened without people having any expectations of it. Okay, I want you guys to compare the charts from before. You're just gonna come and comment, yeah, BlackRock is gonna be, they are buying, they are buying. BlackRock, guys, just listen up. BlackRock is gonna keep buying even if it gets to $1 million. You know why? Because they make millions of billions of dollars every year, and instead of paying it into tax, they put it into ETFs, they put it into investments so they do not have to pay taxes to government, guys. Understand this, try to understand this. Have some logic. Okay, this is the type of talk that I have never had with you guys, because I feel like uh, the less I mention about this, the more people get hype and they just get into hype and hoping that we're just gonna keep pushing up. Yeah, this thing is gonna probably maybe push to $80,000, but then what? No, are we not going to have any type of pullback? Is it gonna be this easy to you? I'm not telling anybody to sell. I'm not telling you guys to do anything. You are on your own with your own decisions. But have a little bit of logic, guys. Economy is not doing great. We're going to have rate cuts. We have had rate cuts. We have had crashes because of the rate cuts. The rate cuts happen when economy is not doing good. And you know US is going to eventually rate cuts or cut rates. And you know what will happen. Does not matter how much they delay it. This cycle is gonna get messed up by doing this. Okay, 4 year cycle is gonna end a lot sooner than you think if this thing keeps pumping, because this does not make sense. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys about this. Last time I covered that there is a high chance of getting to all-time high and hit our $3 trillion, almost $3 trillion of all-time high of market cap that we had. And we're gonna probably have a lot of altcoins pumping. Doesn't even if Bitcoin starts going back down and do a pullback, so the money is gonna probably get out of Bitcoin and get into altcoins, and that would totally make sense to get to all-time high. But the reason I keep telling you guys, this thing does not make sense. Okay, so halving is close. We have seen in every single halving, before or after, we had a lot of pullbacks, a lot, at least 40, 50, 30%. We're not seeing any of this, guys. Okay, so anyways, this is just another video for you guys to remind that it is going to be too good to be true if we keep pumping like this, and this is gonna wreck a lot of people, guys. Okay, none of these are financial advice. Do not trade based on what I'm saying, but this just does not make sense. All right, we just went up. Is like there's no all-time high. It's just like Bitcoin did not even have trouble passing this area. This is like there's no tomorrow, as I said. But it's all up to you. It's your investment. It's your money. But at least please take profit. Know your money management, and that's all I'm asking you. Okay, you're gonna come back to my channel later and thank me for telling you all of this, sharing with you, because I was the person that who had a lot of mistakes, buying every top and think that life was going to be so easy, life was going to be so enjoyable, but I saw a lot of pain after that. Don't be that person. Okay, all right, I'm going to come back with another video. Peace, take care.